Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open synthesia.io. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on Get Started button in the top right corner. Scroll down a bit and select Get Started under Basic Plan and click Continue to Basic Account. You can either continue with your email or Google account, but for this YouTube video, I'll choose email and use a temporary email. So open temp mail, copy the email address, paste it into Synthesia AI, and click continue with email. Then enter your first and last name and click continue. Now add a strong password and click continue. A verification code will be sent, so go to your email inbox, open the email you received from Synthesia AI, copy the code and paste it into Synthesia AI. After verification, you will be asked a few basic questions, so answer them because they are required. Finally, you will see a dashboard like this. Now click on AI Playground from the left menu bar. Here you can generate AI videos, AI images, and motion graphics, but I'll go with AI video. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. So simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into Synthesia AI. Below you can choose different models like VEO 3.1, 3.1 Fast and Gemini Omni, but I'll go with VEO 3.1. Next, select whether you need audio or not, choose the aspect ratio and the number of generation you need, and finally hit the generate button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can either sign up with your personal Google account or your personal email address. It's completely up to you. This tool gives you 1200 free credits as a sign up bonus. Also, if you sign up with your personal Google account or email address, you'll need multiple accounts to generate longer video content. So I suggest using a temporary email. Once your credits run out with one account, simply sign up again using another temp mail so you can get more free credits and generate as many videos as you want until this tool becomes paid. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. A free AI video has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.